Hello, now we have developed a very useful tool which is going to cut hours off managing your digital print signage project. Now if you look at any signage project, whether it's for an event, an activation, a national rollout, signage for a new hospital, a retail environment, franchises, shopping centres, most of the signage can actually be broken down into a relatively small set of standard products. And a product is simply a combination of print method, substrate, laminate, and any print finishing. And if you go to our website, we've got hundreds of products. We've got vinyl banners, Kadar banners, custom banners. We've got sleeved banners. Then we have sheet products such as core flute, composite panel, and there's variants of each of these products such as with gloss laminate, matte laminate, anti-graffiti, standard board size, oversize. And one of the unique things about how this works is that if you hover over the quantity text there, what you see there is a Q code, which is a unique code based on these variants for this product. So here we've got acrylic, we've got, if we go to our Viva frame product, for example, you can order a frame and you can order a silicon edge graphics. So all of these have this unique code. Now this is where it gets powerful, is what you can do is we can set you up with a spreadsheet, and what you can do is you can bring in the Q codes into this list and create a key of the products that you're interested in using for your project. So you can create a little 2 or 3 letter acronym to make it easier for typing it into your catalog. But there you've got your code. There's the Q codes that we've copied from the website. And incidentally, if there is a particular product or combination of material, laminate or finishing, we can build a Q code specifically for you and your project. We have these Q links here. You can use those to, on the fly, just put in a size and you can basically from there, you can get a price and add that to your shopping cart. But where it gets more powerful is in the catalog tab. So in the catalog tab, you can basically build a running list of all of the assets that you want to manage. So here, what I've got here is, you can imagine this being a window sticker. Let's say the front of a store, you've got one window which is 900 by 2400, and then you've got 3 windows which are 1 meter by 2400. So I've labeled those W1, W2, W3, W4. Now, let's say we want to, inside the store, we want to put a couple of Viva frames. So I can just add the quantity and I can add the size in, and I'm going to call these frame 1 and frame 2. And of course, I'm going to need to put some silicon edge graphics in those frames. So I'm going to put my SEG acronym in there, and I'll put 2 silicon edge graphics, same size of course, and I'm going to call that SEG 1 and SEG 2. Now, as I build this, when I'm ready to order the item, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to order the frame. So I'm going to add that to my shopping cart, and I'm going to order my 2 graphics to go into that frame. So there we've got our frame, we've got our graphics, and I'm going to upload my artwork. And as I upload the artwork, basically it will be pre-flight checked. It's going to tell you if it's out of proportion, if there's any low resolution elements in the file, and from there you'll be able to generate an approval document. We can set that up with your logo, so you can download that and send it to your customer. There we have, I've got my test file there. I'm going to say next, accept the warnings. We have a feature with the fabrics that if the graphics align, then we like to know that that's the case, so we can take extra care in the manufacturer. And I can put some notes in there to match PMS colors. Now I'm generating my approval document for this particular job. There it is, and I will approve that, and I'm going to submit that. And there we go, and then I can select my shipping. It works out the packing dimensions. I can set it to collect, or I can send it to anywhere. Let's send it to WA. And this will get the freight, and then I can place my order, and there's my order acknowledgement. Of course, from there I can go into order overview, and I can see where my job, where it is in production. So there you have it. So you can order it straight from the spreadsheet, and the brilliant thing about it is there's no more back and forth with emails, there's no more quote requests, there's no more confusion, just clean structured system for managing your signage. And so whether you're a project manager, you're a print broker, you're organising, coordinating the signage for an event, whether you're a signage company and you outsourcing your print, you can manage the whole signage workflow from a spreadsheet. And it works with either Excel or Google Sheets. So we can set you up. If you want to find out more, you can speak to one of our customer service team, or just email sales@vivad.com.au, and we'll get you sorted out. So thanks for watching.